Hi all. In this video, I will show how a regular Telegram user account is connected to a topic group for subsequent work with it by the team through the Hotline system. This operation is very simply done through the Hotline installation bot. Why is all this needed? Connecting your account to Hotline opens up amazing opportunities for teamwork. You can write first to another user or to bots, you can monitor groups or channels, and also receive calls or show stories to users. But it all starts with connection, and this video will be about it. The entire procedure is done through the Hotline installation bot, which is called Hotline TG bot, and which can be accessed via a link, for example, from our official website or by finding it by name in the search. That's what it's called, Hotline TG_BOT. I already have it open. Let's start To do this, send him the start message. The bot talks a little about itself and offers to make a new connection by clicking on the New Connection button. This is exactly what we are doing now. Next, he offers to connect a bot or account. We are now connecting the account, so we select the appropriate button. Here it is important to define a little the terms and what is happening. We will call the account from which we are currently working in the installation bot, as I have now, the administrator, and let's call the account that we plan to connect to the system the connected one. It is advisable that at the stage of mastering the system these are two different accounts, otherwise it is easy to get confused. Further, to connect, both accounts must be active on different devices. Moreover, the connected account must be active on a mobile device with a camera, since it will be necessary to scan the QR code. Once again, this is important. I am currently working with the installation Hotline TG bot from an administrator account, and the connected account is active on my mobile phone, which is next to me. Now on your phone, go to the Devices section of the Telegram settings and click the big Link Desktop Device button there. This will turn on the camera, which you then need to point at the proposed code. All this is described in the message from the bot above. So now I point the camera at the code and see what happens. The system reports that the account has been successfully connected. It's so simple. Next you need to select a group. This is done with this big Choose Group button. Attention, if for some reason this button is missing or it does not work correctly, this means that your Telegram application does not yet support this type of button. Then just go to the Hotline installation bot from any current application, for example, from your mobile or computer. So, click on the Choose Group button and select the topic group that we made in the previous video. I press. The system says that the group is also successfully connected and offers to test the connection. To do this, let's follow the link to the account that we just connected and try to send it a message. For example, we will immediately send a sticker and some kind of message. We see that in response to our message the system sends an automatic greeting. This means that everything is working and you can return to the installation bot and click on the Yes It Works button. After this, you can end the connection and go to the list of active connections. By clicking on the button with the name of our connection, you can go to view some summary information about it, as well as edit its parameters. Basic connection parameters are located on the Edit Parameters button. For example, here you can edit the welcome message that is sent to all users when they write to a connected account for the first time, or edit a number of other interesting parameters. But in this video I will not talk about each of them, since they are all well described in the knowledge base on our website. Let's better switch to the topic group and see what happened on its side while we were sending messages to the connected account. Firstly, a separate topic was created in the topic group for the user who had just interacted with the connected account, and all messages from the user were forwarded to this topic. Let's try to answer him. For example, we will also send a sticker and a message. You can even send a voice message to the user and see how it arrives. Let's also send a comment that will not go to the user and will only be visible in the group. We go back and look at what the connected account sent us. The account sent us all the messages we just sent in the group. Actually, this is the main magic of Hotline. When you are a team, you can work with requests that users write to a connected account and respond to them on his behalf using almost any type of Telegram message. And this is done directly through your Telegram application. So, the goal of this video was to connect your account to the topic group, and this goal was successfully. I will tell you in more detail about what commands and capabilities are available in the Hotline system on the topic group side for working with user requests, as well as about the amazing opportunities that connecting user accounts to the Hotline opens up in separate videos. Links to them will be added to the description of this video.